Okay, boys and girls, it's time to rock and roll once again at Cline Ranch.
Drivers meeting Thursday, Cline Ranch, take 5. Got it? Good morning! Everybody here? Today we're going to be wheeling all day until the afternoon, where we will come back here, pack up, drive to the next venue. There are no gas stops in between. Buy a gas can if you need it. So this is Dan at Cline Ranch. You got that?
Yeah.
All right, Dan!
Welcome everybody to Cline Ranch. We've been in business about 4 years.
What's the plan for today?
We're going to wheel. We're going to hardcore wheel. Rocks, trees.
How about mud?
No mud. Have fun, guys.
Looks like some good terrain out here. Probably lots of ledges, limestone, things like that. Probably some tight ravines and stuff. Should be a good time.
This is starting to get into real rocks. This is a lot of limestone rocks, outcroppings, some ledges. We'll creep along and then pop up on top of them. That's why I'm bringing them here to experience it. It's going to be a real nice day. This ranch has approximately 500 acres, so it's really a large place with a lot of opportunity. It's not fully developed either. Dan has only been doing it about 4 years, so there's lots more to be explored and discovered and developed.
We're going to have some fun, guys. We're going to have some fun.
I'm going to try it in super low and see if I can just crawl it instead of getting on it. If I can, I'll back up, bring up the gears, and punch a little bit.
He did great. Got the spot right on the line, nailed it.
This obstacle is all about tire placements and wheelbase. You just hug that tree as tight as you can, and our trail leader Larry, he guided me on that perfect path, and then once it's all set up, I just grabbed some second gear and low and shot right on up there.
Your front tire has to be almost under the tree. The back end has to be over, and that's the hardest part.
Talking to the locals out here, it seems like most of these trails were started with short wheelbase vehicles with not huge tires. So, you know, she held up pretty good on the other ledges. Just going to try to crawl up them and see how it works.
You don't need that door anyway, do you?
I'm happy. That's what I built it for. 4-wheeling off-road.
I hear it was a good show. From inside, it just felt rough.
We got a lot more trail to go.